Good day, everyone. I will be discussing my research entitled about adapting sustainability document management, evaluating the impact of cloud-based system in Barangay South Signal Village, Taguig City. For the abstract, our study explores the shift from traditional paper-based document management to cloud-based system. We aim to assess the benefits in terms of sustainability, efficiency, and compliance. We'll look into how this transition affects the environment, operational processes, and overall effectiveness. For the introduction, paper-based systems are known for being resource intensive and inefficient. Cloud-based document management system provide a modern solution that promises improved sustainability, better organization, and more efficient operations. Our goal is to understand these benefits and how they apply to Barangay South Signal Village. The primary objective of my research are to evaluate how cloud-based document management system contribute to sustainability by reducing paper usage, enhancing data accessibility, and improving operational efficiency. We want to measure these impacts specifically in the context of Barangay South Signal Village in Taguig. Our study is focused in the implementation of cloud-based electronic data management system in Barangay South Signal Village. We will examine the environmental benefits improvements in documents handling processes and feedback from users to understand the overall of the impact transition. Scope and limitation. We will be assessing several aspects, including the reductions in paper usage, improvements in workflow efficiency, and user feedback on the new system. However, there are some limitations. The results may not be generalizable beyond this specific context, and our study is constrained by time and external factors that could influence the findings. For our methodology, to conduct our study, we analyzed the process of obtaining barangay clearance and certification using PERT CPM, where PERT program evaluation review technique, and the CPM stands for critical path method. These analyses helped us understand task durations, potential delays, and areas for improvement in the transition processes. These are the process bottleneck in YY diagram. Using YY diagram, the problem of paper usage and storage being inefficient stems from the process relying in the physical documents. The inefficiency in the paper usage and the storage results from the heavy dependence on physical documents. This dependence is due to the outdated nature of the current system, which has not been modernized to adopt digital methods. The failure to make these updates is mainly due to the shortage of resources and insufficient emphasis on implementing improvements. For the table 1.2, which is the PERT CPM chart of the current process, the data treatment considered in this study uses the PERT CPM. With the PERT CPM, decision makers can simulate scenarios, identify bottlenecks in the process, and compare the new system by integrating cloud-based ADMS and online applications. As a result, the impact of activity connections and variability on the system performance can be assessed, providing insights in how the new system improves efficiency and reduces paper usage. For the results and discussion, uh, the inefficiency in paper usage and storage stems from the reliance on the physical documents due to the absence of electronic data management system. The current system remains based on outdated paper methods and hasn't been updated because there has been inefficient funding and priority for modernization. Similarly, manual verification is delayed because it relies on slow manual checks and lack automation. The need for automation hasn't been prioritized partly because the benefits and return on investment for automation had not been clearly shown. For this table 1.3, part CPM chart integrating cloud-based electronic data management system and online application. The table provides a detailed breakdown of timing estimates for various project tasks. Each task is identified by an ID and a brief description. For each task, three types of the time estimates are given: optimistic, the best case scenario, and the most likely, the expected duration under the normal condition, and the pessimistic, the worst case scenario. For this figure 1.6, the conceptual framework based on the upgraded process. The process for getting barangay clearance and certificates starts with the residents filling out their application online and submitting all requirements documents. Next, the system checks these documents automatically to ensure everything in order. After this, the residents pay the required fee either online or in person and receive a receipt. Once the payment is confirmed and documents are checked, the barangay office prepares the clearance or certificate. Finally, the residents are informed when the document is ready and they can either pick it up and the person or in person or in act. In conclusion, adopting a cloud-based document management system is proven to be beneficial in terms of sustainability, efficiency, and compliance. Our PERD and CPM analysis supported a successful transition and demonstrating the advantage of moving away from paper-based system. Thank you very much.